As of right now, the YouTube algorithm favor videos depending on the click-through rate and average view duration. So creators have to meet with a certain requirement in order to get a lot of push here on YouTube. Without good CTRO and good average view duration, your channel is most likely going to get suppressed by the YouTube algorithm, because it's only when you are getting good click-through rates and also getting good average view duration that your channel is going to be getting pushed by the YouTube algorithm. So how do you get good click-through rate and good average view duration? That's what I'm going to be revealing on this video. So all you have to do is just stick to the end to find out. And if you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button to stay connected to my YouTube channel, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials that can actually help you to grow your own YouTube channel. Alright, let's get right to it. First of all, let me explain how the YouTube algorithm works in 2025. Now, the algorithm works in 4 phases, and the first phase have to do with impression, which is the amount of people that YouTube showed your video to in the YouTube feeds or via search results and so on. Then phase 2 have to do with your click-through rate, which is the amount of people that decided to click on that your video to watch and then turned into a viewer. Now, if YouTube is to show your video to, let me say, 100 people, and then 30 people are to click on that your video, then your click-through rate is going to be 30%. Phase 3 is average view duration, which have to do with how long people are watching your video whenever they click on it. Now, if your video is to have high impression, high click-through rate, and also is to have high audience retention, then that is going to trigger phase 4, which is a situation where the YouTube algorithm is going to push your video to a much more wider audience because your video is performing well. And just like that, the cycle will keep repeating itself. Whenever YouTube push out your video and then your video also perform well again, it's going to also do the same thing and push out your video, leading to much more views for that video on your YouTube channel. Now, what I'm going to be doing is breaking down some steps and some secrets that you can use to improve your videos, so you can always be triggering that phase 4 each and every time on your YouTube channel, leading to much more views, watch hours, and subscribers on your YouTube channel. Now, when it comes to impressions, in order for you to get good impressions on your video, you need good video idea. And the only way you can get good video idea is when you're actually mimicking things that are already working in your niche. And the best way for you to actually get this video idea is through what is called idea farming. Now, what is idea farming? Idea farming is actually a situation where you come on YouTube and then you scroll through your YouTube feed looking for trending video ideas in your niche. And then once you see these video ideas, you script down your own version of the video and then you shoot the video. Now, when you do this over and over again, it's going to lead to a situation where you are going to be getting good videos that are actually performing well on your YouTube channel. And this video will always be triggering this phase 4 in your YouTube channel, so that you can also be growing better and growing faster on your YouTube channel. So if you are not already doing this, I will advise that you start doing this on your YouTube channel, because if you keep doing this, there is no way that at least one video or 2 videos won't pop out and perform well on your YouTube channel. The next thing that you need to pay attention to is your video thumbnail and also your video title, because they work hand in hand to determine your click-through rate. Now, how do you get high click-through rate? It's actually quite simple. Now, the way you do this is that whatever video that you are trying to recreate on YouTube, make sure that you look at the thumbnail that the creator already used and the title that that creator already used, and just recreate something similar. It's that simple, because if the thumbnail is already working for that creator and the title is already working for that creator, there is a high chance that if you are to create something similar and use for your own version of the video, you're also going to get similar results on your YouTube channel. Now, I'm not saying that you should download the exact thumbnail that that creator used. That's actually wrong. Do not do that. What I'm saying is that you should pay attention to how the creator actually designed their thumbnail, like maybe the color of the thumbnail, the way they position the text, and the stuff like that. And then just take all that, like take all those information and use it to create your own thumbnail. You see that you also get a similar effect on your own YouTube video. So it's just that simple. Now, how do you increase your average view duration? It's actually the same thing. So just like I said earlier, if you're trying to recreate any video on YouTube, make sure you look at how that creator actually structured the intro of his own video, and then make sure that you take all that, jot it down, and then make sure you use it when you are also shooting your own video. And don't just stop there. Also look at the key points that they dropped in their video, how they structured the video, and you also look at the graphic designs. Maybe some images are popping up in the video, some video clips are popping up in the video. Make sure you create something similar to that and also use it when you are creating your own version. and you see that you also be able to get a good audience retention, just like the same way they got a good audience retention on their own video. So it's just that simple. So everything that I've given you guys on this video, they're actually game changer strategies that can get you recommended over and over here on YouTube. So make sure to go and give it a try and thank me later once you start seeing good results on that your YouTube channel. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys in my next video.